Right now, as you watch this video, 134 countries, representing 98% of global GDP, are developing something that will fundamentally change money as we know it. And most people have no idea it's coming. I'm talking about central bank digital currencies. And this isn't some distant future. China already has 260 million users. The European Central Bank is launching theirs in 2025. The question isn't if this is happening, it's what happens to your money when it does. For 5,000 years, money evolved naturally. Shells, gold, paper, plastic cards. But CBDCs, this is the first time in human history that money itself will be programmable code. Right now, when you hold a dollar bill, that's it. It's yours. No expiration date. No rules. No one can track where it goes or what you buy with it. But a CBDC, that's not money. It's a computer program that represents money. And programs can be coded with rules. Let me show you what's already happening. China launched the digital yuan in 2020. Today, it's used by 250 million people. And here's where it gets interesting. In 2022, China distributed digital yuan stimulus payments with a catch. They expired in 14 days. Use it or lose it. Economists loved it because it forces spending. But imagine your government deciding your money has an expiration date. Now combine this with China's social credit system. Your digital wallet isn't just tracking what you buy, it's scoring how you behave. Park illegally. Your transit payments get restricted. Post something controversial. Your ability to purchase plane tickets gets throttled. You might think, that's China, it won't happen here. But the technology doesn't care about geography. Every CBDC uses the same fundamental architecture. The question is, who controls the code? And here's where AI enters the picture. Microsoft just announced an $80 billion AI infrastructure build-out. Google, Amazon, Meta, they're all doing the same. Why? Because CBDCs aren't just about money, they're about data. Every transaction creates a data point. Every purchase tells a story. And AI needs massive computing power to process that story in real time. Blockchain provides the immutable ledger. AI analyzes patterns across billions of transactions. Facial recognition and biometrics verify identity. And central banks get a real-time, God's eye view of economic activity. Blockchain is the foundation. Biometrics is the identity layer. AI is the brain. And social credit is what happens when AI begins scoring human behavior based on spending data. Now, there are genuine benefits. Instant cross-border payments. Financial inclusion for the unbanked. No more waiting days for international transfers. But here's my take. The technology itself is neutral. A hammer can build a house or break a window. The real question isn't about the technology. It's about who controls it and what rules they program into it. Central banks could stimulate the economy, not with interest rates, but by literally programming money to expire, forcing spending. It's economic theory, meeting computer code. But here's what keeps economists up at night. The same system that can instantly send aid to disaster victims can instantly freeze dissidents' accounts. The same AI that detects money laundering can detect political donations. The same efficiency that removes bank fees removes financial privacy. So we're at a crossroads. One path, CBDCs designed with privacy protections, decentralized oversight, and constitutional safeguards. A kind of digital cash, efficient but private. The other path, programmable money with built-in social engineering. Stimulus that expires, geographic spending limits, carbon footprint tracking, algorithm-based credit scoring. Different countries are choosing different models. The EU is proposing privacy-first designs. Nigeria launched the Naira, but citizens rejected it. The Bahamas has the sand dollar. India is testing the digital rupee. And here's what you need to understand. This isn't a conspiracy theory. The Federal Reserve's Project Hamilton already completed 1.7 million transactions per second. In testing, the infrastructure is built, the technology works. The only question that matters now: will you understand how this new system works before it becomes the only system? The future of money isn't coming. It's already here. The question is whether we're paying attention. Subscribe to Financial History Chronicles for more deep dives into the systems shaping our world.